Hello friends, today I want to share with you some things that help me stay motivated to work on my projects. Sometimes I abandon a project because I'm no longer inspired to make an effort on it. Maybe I'm not sure what the next step is, or I find it too difficult to start. Here are some things that help me. I'm specific about what I want to achieve. I think of the purpose of my project and the benefits that it will bring, and I write it all down. Knowing what I need and why I want to do it helps me stay motivated to complete it. I look for ways to get inspired. Whether it is by browsing ideas on Pinterest or looking for inspiration in nature, there are little things everywhere that can give you ideas and make you see things differently. I get organized. At the moment, I like using Notion and Apple Notes to make lists and organize my thoughts. Dividing the project into smaller steps makes it easier to achieve. I look for ways to simplify it. Whatever I can do to make the project at least a bit easier on me, the more likely it is that I will decide to work on it. I can remove useless details and decide not to make it more complicated than it needs to be. I set a goal or deadline. Setting a goal helps me visualize the finish line and makes me want to reach it. I figure out the next small step. If I'm just thinking about the next step instead of the whole thing, that will make the project seem more manageable, and that can motivate me to start working on it. I decide to enjoy it. Even if the project is not my favorite thing to do, I can try to change my mindset into one that allows me to make the best of the time I spend doing it. I hope that these tips can help you as they have helped me to stay motivated. If you have more ideas, please share them in the comments. See you next time.